exercise 6.4 for the students of class 7th, subject mathematics. The name of the chapter is the triangles and its properties. So let us start this exercise. In this exercise, we shall discuss two special triangles. Two special triangles. The very first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, and the next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, right? So let us see what is the difference. In equilateral triangle, we have the triangle with all sides equal. This side is equal to this side and equal to third side. Moreover, each angle is also equal to 60 degree, right? So this is called equilateral triangle. Now what is isosceles triangle? In isosceles triangle, we have the triangle with two equal sides. This side is equal to this side. Here base angle, these base angles are also same. If this is x, this will also be x. One very special characteristic of the in case of triangles is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. What is the meaning of this? Suppose we have one triangle, right? So name of this triangle is A, B, C. Now if we add the two sides, that is side AB plus side BC, this will be greater than third side. What is the third side? AC is the third side. Right? Or we can say if we start from BC, BC plus AC will be greater than, which is left out? AB. Right? Or if we start from AC, that is AC plus AB is also greater than, AC plus AB is greater than BC. So what is the special characteristic in case of triangles? The sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. On the basis of the introduction of this exercise, we proceed now towards exercise. The very first question is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? First part, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter. These are the sides as per the given statement, the sides of the triangle. So what we see here, this is 2, this is 3. Sum of two sides, sum of the lengths of any two sides is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so this sum is not greater than third side, because third side itself is 5. Okay, so this sum should be greater than third side. So according to the question, this is not possible. This is not possible that sides are 2, 3, 5 centimeter each. Second part, the three sides of the triangle are 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So case A part, sum of 3 plus 6 is greater than 7. B part, sum of 3 and 7 is greater than 6. C part, sum of 6 and 7 is greater than 3. So in each case, the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So yes, this is possible. This is possible. What is possible? It is possible to have a triangle with the following sides: 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Third part of the question number 1, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides: 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So again, first of all, we have sum of 6 and 3. This is greater than 2 centimeter. B part, sum of 6 and 2, 6 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is greater than third side, 3 centimeter. C part, sum of 3 and 2, 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter is greater than third side, 6 centimeter. No, this is not true, because 3 plus 2 mean 5. 5 is never greater than 6 centimeter. So not possible. Not possible. So what was the question? Is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides: 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter? No, this is not possible, is the answer. Now we come to question number 2 of the exercise. Take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. Is number 1 OP plus OQ greater than PQ? So first of all, we have the triangle this is the triangle. Name of this triangle is PQR. We take any point O in the interior, inside of the triangle. Now what we do, we join OP this way, OP and OQ. So OP and OQ, it means again we have new triangle. We forget the previous full triangle. OP plus OQ is greater than PQ. Yes, this is true. This is true. Why this is true? Because sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than third side. Second part is take any point O in the interior of a triangle PQR. So again we have the triangle. The name of this triangle is PQR. So we take any point O interior inside the triangle. Now we join OQ. OQ mean this way plus QR. QR is this side is greater than QR. Sorry, second time this is OR. OQ plus OR. OQ plus OR. Yes, again we forget the remaining part of the triangle. Only this is our target. Sum of two sides is always greater than third side. So what we say? Yes, this is true. Right? Now coming to third part. What is third part? Take any point O in the interior of the triangle PQR. So again we have the triangle. Name of triangle is PQR. Take any point O interior inside of the triangle. Now according to this situation, OR, this point is O, OR is this side plus OP, OP is this side. This is greater than RP, RP is the next. Again we forget the remaining part of the triangle. Only this part is left out. So again what we say? Yes, this is true. Why this is true? Because the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is always greater than length of the third side according to the property of this exercise. Now coming to question number 3. This question is very important to the examination point of view also. Question is, AM is the median of the triangle ABC. So this is the triangle ABC. AM is the median. AM is the median. This is the median. This means BM, this side, is equal to MC. So BM is equal to MC, right? We can now what we do? First of all, we take triangle. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? This is what we have to check. Okay, first of all we take this triangle. Which triangle? ABM. Triangle ABM. Here we follow the property AB plus BM is greater than AM. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. Now what we do? We take second triangle, this triangle AMC. Triangle AMC. Here AC plus MC. AC plus MC is greater than third side. Third side is AM. Right? Now we add these two. Adding, what becomes? AB plus MB, BM plus AC plus MC greater than AM plus AM is 2AM. Now if we observe the diagram, then what we find? BM plus MC. What is this? This is BC. This is BC. BM plus MC. This is equal to BC. So this is BM and this is MC. So what we write now? We write this AB plus BM plus MC becomes BC plus this is AC, or we can write this CA greater than 2AM. So what is the conclusion? This was given here. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? So what is the answer? True. Yes, the given statement is true. Question number 4 is ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral mean any closed diagram made of 4 line segments, closed diagram. Now what is the question? Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? So where is AC? AC is joining this and these two sides. So first of all, we take the triangle ABC. Number 1, we take the triangle ABC. Here what we say now? AB plus BC is greater than AC. Which property? The sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than third side. So first of all, we took here this triangle ABC. Now second time, we are going to take the triangle ADC. Second time, we take the triangle ADC. Here also, in place of ADC, we need here BD. We need here BD. So what we do? We join BD this way, right? So what happens? We take this triangle, right? Triangle BCD. BCD. What this gives us? BC plus CD is greater than BD. Right? Again, next time we take triangle opposite to this, that is ABD. Triangle ABD. What it says? AD plus this AD plus BA, that is AB, is again greater than BD. So in these two cases, we are taking the help of BD. BD is common. Okay. In previous one, we took the triangle ABC, ABC. So ABC, this was triangle taken by us earlier. Now opposite to this is this triangle. We also take now triangle ADC. ADC. This gives us AD plus DC. AD plus DC is greater than third side AC. Right? Or we can say this is number third and this is number fourth. Right? Now what to do? Next, we add number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4. Adding. What is left hand side? AB plus BC. AB plus BC. Second time BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Third time AD plus AB. AD plus AB. Next time AD plus DC. AD plus DC is greater than, everywhere this is greater than, so we put greater than sign. AC plus AC becomes 2AC plus BD plus BD becomes 2BD. Right? Again, in the left side, this is AB. This is also AB. So this becomes 2AB. Next time, this is BC. This is also BC. So we have 2BC. Next, this is CD. This is DC. DC CD, that is same thing. Plus 2 times CD. Last one is AD or DA. This is DA. This is also DA. So 2 times DA. DA or AD, that is same. Right side is greater than 2AC plus 2BD. Right? Now we divide each by 2. 2AB divided by 2, AB. 2BC divided by 2, BC. 2CD divided by 2, CD. 2DA divided by 2, DA. Greater than 2AC divided by 2, AC. 2BD divided by 2, BD. So this way we have obtained the result. This was the given. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Yes, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Yes, this is true. Right? Now coming to question number 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 into AC plus BD? So let us check now. First of all, we need AC. Where is AC? This way. So triangle ABC gives us AB plus BC is greater than AC. Right? One thing. Second time we take triangle ADC. Triangle ADC. This gives us AD or DA. DA plus CD is greater than AC. Right? Next time we take this as the diagonal. So triangle we have BCD. This gives us BC plus CD is greater than BD. Last time we take this triangle ABD. This gives us DA plus AB greater than BD, right? Now we add all these inequalities. The result is AB plus AB is 2AB plus BC plus BC 2BC plus CD plus CD 2CD plus DA plus DA 2DA is greater than AC plus AC 2AC plus BD plus BD 2BD. So this way we have the conclusion AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, right? So if this is the given statement, so this result is not obtained. This is same like question number 4. In question number 4 this was true. So what is the conclusion? Therefore AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than 2 AC, less than 2 AC plus BD is false. This is true. This was question number 4, but in question number 5 this is false. Thank you very much.